What's the wellness word for today? It's MUFA. MUFA or monounsaturated fatty acids is one of the healthy forms of dietary fat. In this video, you will discover the importance of MUFA and lots of plant-based foods that will give you lots of MUFA. So keep watching. Namaskaram. I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on MUNCH&MULL. Broadly speaking, dietary fats are of two types: saturated fats and unsaturated fats. The unsaturated fats are further categorized based on the number of carbon double bonds as follows: monounsaturated fatty acids or MUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acids or PUFA. Again, generally speaking, the saturated fatty acids or SFA are considered unhealthy and unsaturated fats are the healthy fats. The American Heart Association's dietary guidelines for healthy adults recommends limiting total dietary fat to a maximum of 30% of the calories in our food. Of this, a diet that provides less than 7 to 10% of calories from SFA is recommended as the best. Lower is better. Up to 10% calories from PUFA and as much as 15 to 20% from MUFA is recommended. This clearly demonstrates the significance of MUFA in our health. So, why is MUFA considered so beneficial for our health? Check this out. MUFA or monounsaturated fatty acids are known to improve functioning of our blood vessels, which means they keep our arteries, veins and capillaries healthy. Most interestingly, MUFA help in bioavailability of fat-soluble vitamins. What does this mean? Vitamin A, K and E are fat-soluble and thus consumption of healthy unsaturated fats present in avocados help in efficient absorption of these vitamins. They are known to be beneficial in type 2 diabetes as they help in maintaining insulin levels for blood sugar control. It is interesting to note that regular avocado consumption can lead to higher HDL or good cholesterol, lower risk of cardiovascular issues, and lower weight, BMI, and waist circumference. Here is another interesting fact. MUFA-rich foods are considered as a better substitute to carbohydrates in your diet. In particular, highly processed carbs like refined wheat flour or maida are known to increase cholesterol levels in blood and tissues of the body. This is more so in case you have a sedentary lifestyle and insufficient exercise, where the calorie intake is more than the calories burnt. So, what are the foods rich in MUFA? Vegetable oils are an obvious source of MUFA, but not all of them. Cooking oils having higher levels of MUFA include groundnut oil, olive oil and mustard oil. However, if we look at unsaturated fats as a whole with MUFA and PUFA combined, the toppers are mustard oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, groundnut oil, olive oil, sesame oil. But remember that these benefits are best gained with use of cold pressed oil and without subsequent heating. There is more detail involved on the impact of heat on MUFA, PUFA and saturated fatty acids in cooking oil, which we will have to reserve for another episode. Avocado is one food particularly rich in MUFA. Other MUFA-rich foods are nuts and seeds. Examples of nuts high in MUFA are hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, almonds, pistachios, cashew and even peanuts. Various seeds rich in MUFA include sunflower, sesame, flaxseed, etc. So, are you ready for a MUFA-rich diet shift? For a start, you can replace your dairy butter with avocado or nut butter. Watch this video to know how to convert an avocado to a butter alternative. Next, you can watch this video to discover how to make nut butter at home. If you are an idli dosa lover, you must have definitely seen my video on homemade idli powder or gun powder that goes very well with idli. You can use MUFA or PUFA rich oils like cold pressed sesame oil to mix with the powder. Look at all such opportunities to use MUFA and PUFA rich oils without exposure to heat. If you feel that this information was useful, you should press that like button to make the YouTube algorithm happy. And of course, do not forget to share this video with all others who could benefit from this knowledge. By the way, have I missed out on any other MUFA rich foods? If yes, do share them in the comment section below. And lots of plant-based foods that will give you lots of MUFA.